It's really hard to find one of those one-stop shops. Bossard is that. We're a one-stop shop to help you with all of your needs. Hi, my name is Rebecca Bertram. I'm a sales operations manager here at Bossard North America. I oversee our kitting department where we do custom kitting, aftermarket, and light assemblies. We do everything but welding here in the kitting department. So value is looked at in a lot of different ways per customer. A lot of manufacturers that we see, one of their biggest constraints are space, time, losing of parts. So what can kitting and assembly do for you? We can kit it for you, already have the parts ready to go. That way you're not losing parts on the line. You're saving your employees time. They're not having to go 5 different places to get the parts that they need to finish that assembly or that kit or whatever they're putting onto that product. We're able to package it for you so that it can go to your aftermarket or whoever it needs to go to. We can also save you space by having it here on our shelves rather than on your shelves too. The great thing about Bossard is that we have a robust supply chain, so we're able to tap into those suppliers to help you find the parts that you're looking for, whatever those parts look like. And also we're able to work directly with suppliers on direct buys, and then we're also able to use our supply chain resources to be able to bulk buy and help with competitive pricing for you as a customer too. We're a one-stop shop, which is amazing. So we have engineering, we have quality under our same roof, purchasing and sales all under one spot. Being able to tap into those resources is huge for our customers.